Removal. Open the kickstand. Remove the 4 3mm T5 Torx head screws that secure the display panel assembly to the display enclosure. Close the kickstand and turn the tablet over. Using a suction cup and non-metallic flat-bladed tool, carefully detach the display panel assembly clips from the display enclosure. Important: if a suction cup is not available, it is possible to detach the display panel assembly by carefully inserting a thin tool into the screw holes on the back of the tablet. Slowly lift the display panel assembly until you have access to the battery connector on the system board. Disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the system board. Disconnect the display panel cable from its connector on the system board. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the touchscreen ZIF connector and disconnect the touchscreen ribbon cable from the system board. Remove the display panel assembly. Reverse this procedure to install the display panel assembly.